If it isn't obvious, man, I collect these things, okay? And each one of them have the exact same problem. And I do want to clarify something before I go into negative mode here. You're not just going to turn your console on one day and boom, stops working immediately. That's not how this works. But the problem that I'm going over here is the SD card. Not one of these has a good SD card in them. I collect them. Hello, there's literally like 13 of them right here. Plus these, like we got 15 of them, okay? Let me show you here really quickly. They all have this problem. Are you ready? Boom. Generic SD card. And this is how this is going to work. You're going to turn this on one day. You're going to go to launch a game and it won't launch. Or you'll go to save a game and it doesn't save, which you're going to save your game and then you'll load your game and your save file won't be the same save file that you saved previously, but your old save file will be there. So when I say that these things are going to they're going to like stop working, it's not like it's just going to not turn on. But like once you start noticing like, hey, is there something wrong with my hand? It's just common sense. You're going to wonder like, what's wrong with my handheld right now? And you're pretty much after that point of you like kind of questioning what's going on with my handheld, you got about a week. And if you wait a week, that's when your console stops working. And I know this issue arises with everybody because one, comments of people asking, hey, how do you fix the console? Or reviews on Amazon. Oh, it stopped working within a month. No, your console didn't stop working. Your potato SD card stopped working. So didn't even realize it still had this on it. So we're going to do this right now. Ready? What's that? AMSR, ready? Yeah, buddy. This right here. Okay. There's two of them. Right, and I already used one of them, so I'm so sorry that I don't actually have two of them, but there is two of them. See the missing one right there? There's two of them. It didn't just come empty right there. It's in one of these. I don't remember which one. You need a computer. I'm so sorry. You need a phone. Oh my goodness, you need a phone. Hold up. I did actually remember to bring this, by the way. You're welcome. Put this thing up in your phone. You just poop it right up in your phone. You're going to need to search the Google Play Store cloning application. I use Rufus on my not expensive computer, okay? I'm so sorry that I'm just like explaining the fact that you need a computer or a telephone because I'm sure you're like just watching this on some device that isn't a computer or a phone. I'm so sorry. Okay, so you need to install Rufus on your computer or I use Rufus. I know it's the best name ever. It's not Amazon's AI, by the way. It's just, that's literally the application Rufus. I know it's like the most best name ever. Rufus. Sounds like a Ed, Edd and Eddy character. I really want to show you guys how to do that as well. You can apply CRT filters, and Amazon, Paramount, Nickelodeon, Disney, all the superior of awesome CRT filters. I forgot to tell you to subscribe and like the video. If you actually like the video.
This right here is my intelligence firing, creating a template so that I can feel better about myself by not forgetting to inform you of subscribing and liking the video if you actually like the video.
Now let's get back to it. So how you do this is you stick this in your computer or you stick this in your phone, okay? And you use a clone. It tells you what to do. Okay, I don't need to give you a tutorial on how to do this. It literally guides you. Let me put my joking aside. I am not a super mega ultra genius. I'm just a guy that figures this crap out. And here's how I figure this out. Google, how do I do this? That's how I figure it out. That's how I do it every single time. Dude, this one's cool. Check this out. It's like a CRT TV. And then you stick this in to your thing, and then you put this in the other thing of the thing. Okay. That's the best way to explain it. It's a superior way to explain it. So you have your micro SD card. I personally would recommend you put your potato SD card in this one, and then you use your super whole mega whopping expensive $20 of 128. And just so we're clear, this is Walmart brand. This is good. They're just rebranded brands. That's what they are, because that's a superior way to describe it. But they don't use potato versions. It's just a Walmart brand. Amazon as well. Like they're like Amazon. Actually, that's a great way to, if you get an SD card on Amazon, get an Amazon one. Like get an Amazon Basics one, because those are, hello, it's an Amazon one. Like other people can't sell Amazon ones. Okay. And those are all like rebranded Lexar SD cards, which is a good brand. Okay. And so, yeah, you stick your potato SD card in this. And just so we're clear, dude, this is 16. If I showed you how to do it would be like 40 minutes. And I don't want to waste your time. I've already wasted 16 minutes of your life. Okay. So you put the SD card from this in this. You take your adapter version and you put it in the adapter, or you put it in the bigger. Hello. You put it in the bigger part. You stick it in your phone. Okay. Or if you have a computer, which would be much easier because you don't have to miscombobulate yourself as you browse everything. And you just use the application. It literally tells you what to do. Your console isn't broken. It's your potato junk SD card. For everybody wondering how long your SD card, there's not really an exact answer. Where'd it go? Dude, I've had this for 2 years. It still works. It literally still works. And you think I'm joking. I'm literally not even joking. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on so that you can actually understand that it's literally still working. Watch it not work. I will be so upset if you don't work. That will be the most stupid thing in the history of stupid things. Loading. I was going to say there it is. I hear the music. All right. So let me show you, my recents. All right. So ready? Whoop. Face. Get out of here. Oh my God, that's so miscombobulating. Hang on 1 second. I'm going to do it this way because it's way easier. Recent, let me go to Crash Bandicoot. I'm going to load it. You'll see it still works. I just showed you at the beginning. If you fast forwarded the video and forgot, watch it not work. I'm going to be so upset. This is PS1 game, by the way. There it is right there. Holy moly, brother. Yeah, buddy. 2 years I've had this. I already swapped it, unfortunately. So unfortunately, this is another brand that you can also get. Silicon Power. This is a swapped SD card. This is not the SD card that was actually in this thing. It lasted me 2 months. And this is the RG35XX Plus. This is like my favorite handheld. I love this one. There we go. It takes a little bit of time for me to figure things out, but I always figure it out. It just takes me in the future. And I've never even realized that. What do you even mean? That is the best zipper in the history of all zippers, and I've never realized it had that zipper. There's a little Super Nintendo controller zipper. I didn't even realize that until just now, which is crazy because I've had this for 2 years. Future Self speaking here. I do want to say that if you need like a SD card or you want one of the handhelds that were in the video, links to them will be down in the description below. That's how you do it. You take your potato SD card so this is what's going to happen because I'm probably going to have to edit some of this out. Well, unfortunately, because I'm just really good at not shutting up. You're going to use your console. Let's just use 6 months as an example. You're going to be using your console for about 6 months. Okay. Doesn't matter which one it is. You're going to be using it for about 6 months and you're going to go to launch a game and it'll immediately back you out. And then you'll wonder, you're like, yo, why did that just happen? And then you'll go to it and it actually like loads up. Okay. When that happens, that's not normal. When you go to launch a game, it's supposed to launch. So when you start noticing these like weird effects on your console, that means your SD card is about to fail. And if you just simply casually keep using it and not caring, it will eventually fail on you within probably, I'm saying a week to protect you, but it's probably going to, it's more realistically, it's probably going to be about a month before it actually fails. Hopefully this was helpful for you. I am going to edit some of this down because it's like supposed to be a not super long video and it turned out to be super long. So yeah. Rip.